Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a statistical term called Bayesian analysis. Bayesian analysis is a statistical paradigm that answers research questions about unknown parameters using probability statements. For example, what is the probability that the average male height is between 70 and 80 inches, or that the average female height is between 60 and 70 inches? What is the probability that a person accused of a crime is guilty? What is the probability that a treatment A is more cost effective than treatment B for a specific healthcare provider? What is the probability that the patient's blood pressure decreases if he or she is prescribed a drug A? What is the probability that the odds ratio is between 0.3 and 0.5, and so many more? Such a probabilistic statement are natural to Bayesian analysis because of the underlying assumption that all parameters are random quantities. In Bayesian analysis, a parameter is summarized by an entire distribution of values instead of one fixed value as in classical frequentist analysis. Estimating this distribution, a posterior distribution of a parameter of interest, is at the heart of Bayesian analysis. A posterior distribution comprises distribution about a parameter and a likelihood model providing information about the parameter based on observed data. Depending upon chosen distribution and likelihood model, the posterior distribution is either available analytically or approximated by, for example, one of the Markov chain Monte Carlo methods. Bayesian inference uses the posterior distribution to form various summaries for the model parameter, including point estimates such as posterior means, medians, percentile, and interval estimates known as the credible intervals. Moreover, all statistical tests about the model parameter can be expressed as probability statement based on estimated posterior distribution. Unique features of Bayesian analysis include an ability to incorporate mirror information in the analysis and intuitive interpretation of credible intervals as fixed ranges to which a parameter is known to belong with a pre-specified probability, and an ability to assign an actual ability to any hypothesis of interest. Thanks for watching. Bye.